Could you fathom what the world will look like in the year 2050? The rapid pace of technological advancements, the advent of artificial intelligence, and the surge in renewable energy sources are just the tip of the iceberg. So, fasten your seatbelts as we journey into the future and delve into the top 5 amazing facts about 2050. Starting off with fact number 5, quantum computing advancements. As of 2023, scientists have made significant strides in the field of quantum computing. This technology, which utilizes the principles of quantum mechanics, is poised to revolutionize everything from data encryption to weather forecasting. The future certainly looks bright for quantum computing. Moving on to fact number 4, renewable energy surges. The adoption of renewable energy sources worldwide has hit an all-time high in 2023, leading to a substantial reduction in carbon emissions. In the future, we can expect even more reliance on these clean, sustainable energy sources. Next up, at number 3, we have the AI in healthcare milestone. Artificial intelligence has made a breakthrough in the healthcare sector. AI systems can now diagnose complex medical conditions with unprecedented accuracy. This advancement will undeniably change the face of healthcare and medicine as we know it. At number 2, we have space exploration expansion. Countries around the globe are ramping up their efforts in space exploration. New missions, collaborations, and discoveries are ushering in a renewed era of space exploration. The final frontier is becoming less final by the day. And finally, the most amazing fact at number 1, advancements in CRISPR technology. The CRISPR gene editing technology has witnessed remarkable advancements in 2023. This opens up new possibilities for precise and targeted genetic interventions, which could lead to the eradication of certain genetic disorders and diseases. In conclusion, the future holds a plethora of exciting possibilities and advancements. From quantum computing and renewable energy to AI in healthcare, space exploration, and gene editing, the year 2050 promises to be a year of exponential growth and innovation. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, who knows what other amazing facts the future will reveal?